Hi there, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today I'm going to be walking around a 2019 Kia Forte EX Plus with sunroof and two-tone alloys, all sorts of good things. This is a demo car, so it has been driven approximately 10,000 kilometers. It's been well kept, not smoked in, but it is up for sale, so you'll get a great price on the vehicle, and you can still get the wonderful interest that Kia offers. So take a look, a nice shiny metallic paint, optic headlights. They have changed the front and rear bumper cover and the entire body for 2019, so it's a little bit longer, sort of reminiscent of the Kia Optima. Really gotten quite nice. The headlights are so bright, you have the markers in your mirrors. This has got blind spot detection. It will light up in the mirrors and let you know if somebody's beside you. It has lane departure warning and assist. A nice tinted window feature there. Don't mind any leaves you might see. Our trees are starting to drop leaves behind us, but really nice car, only 10,000 kilometers. It is considered a demo. So nice rear bumper cover and chrome exhaust. Has a huge trunk on it. That'll have LED lights, so when you put your brakes on, they're going to be very bright for you. The people behind you will see you and hopefully stop before anything occurs. Rear window to fog, of course. It's a sedan. Runs on regular fuel. This is running a 2-liter engine, so they're really good on fuel. And it's running the new IVT transmission, so it is actually better on fuel than the previous years, 2017 and 18. Just gonna pop a door. So we've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, water bottle locations in all the doors. They have upgraded the interior. The interior finish is quite nice, and the reason it's dinging, I left the key in. The seat is a jack seat, so you can actually jack it up and down. Nice armrest for your comfort. Cup holders are close by. A new shifter panel. Here's some of those features I was mentioning. So blind spot detection, lane departure warning and assist, traction control off. If you ever got stuck, I'd explain that to you. Auto lighting, Bluetooth, cruise control. Let me just jump in here. So just so you can see, this has got 10,032 kilometers. It does have the big screen now. I'm just going to start the car so you can take a look, because backup camera is so important these days. So it'll have the Android Auto Apple CarPlay. Let me just turn that fan down so you can hear me. So stereo system's wonderful, AM, FM, however, not the Sirius satellite this year. Backup camera, which is really great, and it shows you where you're going to be ending up if you steer a certain way. That's wonderful. So air conditioning on this vehicle, yes. There is a location here that you can actually place your phone, and it'll light up here to let you know it's charging. 180 watts, auxiliaries, USBs. It has the heated seats, which are great, and the heated steering wheel. This vehicle does drive in different modes, so there's sport, smart, and normal modes. So that's really nice. I'll just put it back into park. There is a lot of room here for your guests. Just let you see, there is a sunroof on the EX Plus. I'll just let you take a look at that. They're a great car. I'm here at West Coast Kia, just showing off a demo. If you like what you've seen, come on down. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway in Pitt Meadows, Maple Ridge, right at the boundary. West Coast Kia, come on down.